Hi campers, Gary here from Cross Camping and Leisure, selfinflatingmats.co.uk. Today, a real-time test on the Kampa Kip HighRise 10cm. This is a wider mat than you'd normally expect and uber comfy, but let's crack on. Okay, so it comes with a bag. Let's get rid of that. A couple of straps. So we'll get rid of all of that. Little repair kit. We'll pop that in the bag. Okay, so we have valves here, 2 of them. You can see that's fairly solid there. If you do that, you start to see the air coming in, and you can actually turn it that way as well, and that allows the air in but nothing out. But to begin with, we're just going to open that fully up and unroll it. So, yeah. Now we'll see how long it takes. Now when they're brand new, they do take some time to expand, but this one's been inflated for probably about 2 days, and we've rolled it up and, wow, look at that. That's actually surprised me at how quick that has gone up. If you really wanted to, there'd be nothing to stop you blowing a little bit of extra air in there if you want it particularly firm, but what I'm going to do now is just shut the valves. In fact, before I shut the valves, you would want to turn those so they're solid, like that, and then that's really more of a dust cap than anything. And yeah, I mean, that was fast. And the comfort on these, they are quite squidgy, but you've really got to try them. When you try it, it is phenomenal. These do come in a double as well. You get no real roll together, which you might on some other air beds and some self-inflating mats, but these are more the top end. Yeah, this fabric is stretchy. Not sure what it is exactly. I'd have to have a look on that, but awesome bit of kit. Right, now we're going to roll it up. So we would again open the valves, and if anyone's had a 10cm traditional self-inflating mat, you'll know it's not always the easiest. So with a 10cm, rather than just grabbing it and rolling it, give it a fold. Alright, give it a fold. A little bit easier on the ground doing this than up here, but there we go. And as we've got those right open, the air's coming out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut those valves, so like so. Now, no air can come back in there, but the air does, it is harder to get it out. So there we go. We'll open that all up, squash that down, and then I'm going to shut that. Now, the second time of rolling, in fact, yeah, we'll leave those shut there. The second time of rolling, you can see it's a lot thinner now. So, I can start to roll this properly. But that soft fabric makes it so much easier to do. And what happens is, we are starting now to squash some air to the end, and it's not coming out. There we go. Or is it? Ah, yes, no, now that way round allows the air out. We're all learning here. That way round allows the air out, but it can't come back in. So, fantastic. There we go. So, I can then just do it a third time if I really want to. We could do that a third time to try and get it packed down again. Now, you've got to remember, this is a wide self-inflating mat, the Kampa Kip HighRise 10cm, 77 centimetres wide, nearly 2 metres in length. So for such a big mat, it actually packs down really well. So again, there we go, last bit of air coming out, and yeah, The air can't get back in. Really clever valve. And then at that point you would put the straps around and it slips back into the bag dead easy. Let's just bring that valve a little bit closer for you. So there's the valve. So no air can go in there now. You can see it's not expanding. If I flip that around to that way, air is coming in, but air can't come out. Or you can just open it up like so. So there you go. Gary from Cross Camping and Leisure. Inflatable tents online, you can also find us, but we have a website called selfinflatedmats.co.uk where you'll find all our wonderful sleeping bits of kit. Cheers.